Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we're gonna get into our summer Goldie Box, so let's check it out. If you are new to Goldie Box is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. We actually customize on the first day of that season, which makes it kind of fun. I will put all of the information for Goldie Box down below along with my code Catherine10. It will get you 10% off your first box. If you are new to this box, it was started by our friend Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. She started her own subscription box. I am so impressed. And the beauty of this lifestyle box is you choose your box. Do you want 3 products, 5 products, 7 products? And then there's a grouping of products. Generally, there are about 11 to 14 products that you choose. Whether you're a member that has 3 products or 7 products, you choose from the same grouping, not a category of it, but all of the products. So that is great. Plus, she then adds in a bonus. If you choose the box that has 3 products, you're a bronze bear and you'll get a bronze bear bonus. If you choose the box that has 5 products, you're a silver bear. You get the silver bear bonus and the bronze bear bonus. And what I have is the gold bear. And it has 7 products in it that I have chosen, plus the 3 bonuses, because as a gold bear, you get the gold, silver, and the bronze bear bonus. Enough talking. Let's get into it. Look how pretty that tissue paper is. This is the paper with the information on it. You can choose not to receive this and just receive it digitally. It is so much easier for me when I'm unboxing to have an actual piece of paper to look at, but you can save paper and not do that. And then that's what my box looks like. I totally don't remember what I chose, so this will be super fun. I'm looking at the paperwork, and this season we had 12 choices. I'm just gonna take this big one right off the top because it is gorgeous. This is recycled cotton placemats. Look how gorgeous. I hope that is coming across how gorgeous bluey teal this is, and the quality of the way they feel fantastic. They are from Now Design, and it says second spin placemats made from recycled materials for a green and clean design, easy to wash and keep clean, and it is a set of 4. Well, let's take one out of here. It is gorgeous. Oh, I love the size of these too. Perfect. They're a little wider, I think, than a normal placemat. I actually like that. I always wish that we had more space underneath when we have the girls for drinks and silverware and all of those things. That is so pretty. I am very, very happy with my color choice in this. I'm trying to introduce more blues into my kitchen. I've never really been a blue girl. I lean more towards yellows and greens in the kitchen. So this actually works pretty perfectly because while it looks kind of blue because it's the teal, it also kind of, no, green's not the right word, but you know what I mean? It's not like full blue. It has kind of like that green tint to it. It's so pretty. Next out, I have Rinse Debug All Over Body Spray. Enjoy your time outdoors. Well, I go, and I think I've said this before, so it's no secret to anybody who watches the channel regularly. I avoid the outside as much as possible, thus explaining the very pale of my skin. I always say the outdoors is trying to kill me. Just basically the heat, the sun, the things I'm allergic to, the bugs, the outdoors bad. But when forced into going outdoors, I love a bug spray because they're coming for me. I'm the one they're coming for. You know how you have that friend that every time you're like, oh my gosh, you should have seen her. She was so torn up from the, me. This is from Rinse. It is $12 and it says all natural debug spray that uses essential oils to keep bugs off at your summer barbecue or camp out, keeping you feeling clean and safe. So excellent. Just for the record, this is so clean that on the side it says tip. Debug spray can also be used as a linen spray. Well, I'm not gonna put it on. Let's see if we can smell it though. Oh, that's very nice. I expected a more, I don't know what I expected. More citronella, more tea tree. That is very nice. I would say lemongrass perhaps. Yeah, on this white on yellow, I can't begin to see that. Okay, next out we have Design a Galaxy Magnetic Sculpture. I got this for my girls. Each season, Jessica does a family style type product. And this is it this season, and it is a magnetic sculpture that you can make of outer space type things. I thought we have a 5 and a 7, and I thought that they would probably like playing with this. They're both girls, but they don't care. They like outer space stuff too. And it says create a unique sculpture every time. 16 metal figures, 16 stickers, and magnetic base. So they'll have fun playing with that. This, by the way, is from Toysmith and it has a $13 value. I absolutely, personally, did not choose the highest priced items in this box. I chose the ones that I knew I would use. I do that every season. So I know some of my things are inexpensive, but I know they'll get used. So I think that's probably technically what it's all about. Okay, next out, these do not disappoint. They are gorgeous. Earrings, I'm gonna put them on in just a second. They are from Zad. They have a $14.99 value, and it says adorable hoops that scream summer with dangle sun shape, 3/4 inch hoop, 1.5 inch sun charm. Well, I have on just the little huggers. Remember when we got these, oh, was it a Fabfitfun? And they are, oh man, I wish I could remember, Anna Luisa? I'm gonna stick with that. You guys can let me know, I'm probably wrong, but we'll replace them with these. You can see, even though they're hoops, they have the post on them. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? Probably better without my hand there. Can I get them? Okay. I was trying to get with my dark hair behind them. Those are so stinking cute. They're perfect for longer hair girls because they're gonna peek through even when your hair ends up, you know, as it inevitably does. They're gonna peek through and be like, oh, this is like the perfect summer earring. Yep. I'll be wearing that the rest of the summer. And next out, I chose the Badgley Mishka Lychee Rose Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Jessica told us about these in her spoilers, and I could almost smell them. I felt like I could just smell them through the camera, and I couldn't decide which one I wanted. Let me tell you. It is Exfoliating Sugar Scrub with a $19.99 value, and it hydrates for perfect summer skin, great for tanning, shaving, and staying hydrated. There was another scent. I'm like 99% confident there was another scent, and this is the one I chose. It's very, can you break the light? Can you see the pinkness of it? It is so cool looking. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Rose, there's absolutely rose scent in here. I guess there were definitely context clues in lychee rose, but yes, it does have a rose scent. It smells fantastic. It almost has a scent that reminds me of bath products back when I was a kid. Probably something about the rose and one of my grandmother's, but I love the scent of this. I love that it's a big pot. I'm gonna rip the top off of it, and just during the summer, I use the heck out of these. You would think you would be drier in the winter, so that's when you would need them more, but I feel like I do it more in the summer. All right, next out, I chose another shower product. This is Shower Steamers. It is Hawaiian Islands. This is another one of the things that she talked about, and I was like, that sounds like I'm going to love the scent of it. So you put one steamer on the shower floor, not directly under the water, for a burst of delicious aroma. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. Again, let's see what this smells like. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's all coconutty. I love the scent of that. It says Hawaiian Islands. I immediately thought coconut lime is what I thought when I smelled it, because you can smell the coconut, but you can also smell like a citrus or something. But that is it. It's kind of a lime green color. That smells amazing. I mean, it smells amazing. I love coconut. I would say it's one of my favorite summer scents, but in all fairness, it's not like if I run across it in February, I'm like, oh no. I still love it. It's just one of my favorite scents. That smells so good. Seriously Shea $22 refreshing summer scented shower steamers that instantly turn your shower into a luxury experience, made with high quality ingredients that leave you feeling uplifted after your shower. So I think, I didn't even look. I think there's 6 in here. Actually, it probably tells you, yes, it's a 6-pack. It says right on it. There's 6 in here. Okay, my last choice, and then we'll get into the bonuses. Hi, my name is Catherine, and I have a tote bag problem. I will not see a tote bag and not choose it very often. I love tote bags. And it's one of those things that if I don't immediately use it, when the girls are here, they're like, oh, Nana, that's amazing. And one of the girls will take it. And how cute is this for summer? It's just a great size. As soon as I can show you. It's just a great size, and it says, "You make me smile." And this is like puffy and textured. How stinking cute is that? So cute. 2 handles, they're like canvas handles. You also have a strap. Oh, it's pink. How adorable is that? That you can attach on the sides. It has a snap closure. There's also an inside pocket that zips. So this is really a great quality bag that I just know one of us is going to love the heck out of. That is so fun. That is from Lovin'. It has a $27.90 value, and it says it's a cute and versatile tote bag with a cute message that will make you smile. 2 strap options for crossbody or shoulder. I don't think, just for the record, I don't think I could get that up on my shoulder. If you had very thin arms, perhaps you could. I feel confident I could not. Next, we have our bonuses, and these are the extra little bonuses that we don't know what they're gonna be because Jess slips them in as a surprise. The one that you received this month, if you are a bronze member, is a Bella Pierre eyeshadow brush. That is what it looks like. I love this size. This is my favorite. Actually, I like this one a lot because it's not too thick. Sometimes they're really thick. This is my favorite one to do my under eye with. I tap it, just tap into the color and do. I know they make special rounded pointy ones that you can do that with. I feel like I have so much more control with these that I love to have these around just for the varying shades of color that I use. This says the tapered eyeshadow brush is ideal for applying shimmer powders or pressed eyeshadows to your eyelids. The bristles are super soft, yet also dense, so you can apply the perfect amount every time. If you are a silver bear, and that means you got to choose 5 of her customization choices, and then you also get 2 bonuses. You get the bronze bonus and the silver bear bonus. The silver bonus is Reef Sport Sun Care, and this says it has a $9.55 value. Zinc provides superior protection against UVA and UVB rays. Reef Sport is eco-friendly, water-resistant, and paraben, octinoxate, and oxybenzone free. The Hawaii Act 104 reef compliant. And as you can see, it's just white in there as a stick. Actually, it doesn't really have much of a scent, just probably whatever the, I'm gonna say waxy base is that they use. It doesn't have ingredients on it. I think that's probably the only scent to it. So even if you're scent sensitive, this should be fine. And then if you're a gold bear, you get both of those bonuses, and you get this drinklets. I'm not sure what that means yet. We're gonna look that up and see what that means. It has a $13.75 value. Drinklets is a vibrant mix of vitamins and electrolytes. It comes in an easy self-dissolving tablet, hydration and immunity boost in a delicious, natural, and easy formula. Just add water. I'm telling you right now, I'm giving this to my mom. She's having some dehydration issues, and electrolytes would be perfect for her. We will go ahead and open it though. She won't mind at all if I can work out how to open it. I think the top pushes up. I'm gonna have to get my husband involved. I absolutely cannot open this. I think you just push up. There's a little thumb hold, but it's got one of those little breakaway things, and I just don't have the thumb power to do it. They're electrolyte drink things that you can put in your drink. I'm thinking they'll be perfect for Mom. Thank you so much. He has super strong thumbs apparently. Oh look, the top really has a deep part that stops him from juggling around. Comes off completely. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells like cotton candy. Oh, I hope it tastes like that. She would like that so much. But this is what they look like, and you just drop it into water. That smells really good. Trust me, my mom will not mind. I touched it. And then you can just pop the lid right back on, and it will come off much easier for her now. Perfect. That is very cool. In my life at this moment, I am actually very glad to receive that, so that's awesome. Okay, that is my Goldie Box box. The 7 items that I chose, my 3 bonus items, because I am a gold bear, but there are 3 levels you can be. I will put a link down below along with all of the information for Goldie Box that will take you over and let you check out the website. The items that I did not choose that you could have chosen for this box were the Bella Pierre High Pigment Lip Kit with beautiful shades that can be mixed and layered for a custom signature lip with a $50 value. The Everyday for Future, a set of masks with 12 uses each. Avocado to nourish the skin and watermelon to hydrate the skin. The perfect summer fruit pear. Those had a $14 value if I didn't say that. The Hadley Wren Classic tasseled beach sarong that is easy to wear and easy to match. The sarong can be used as a beach cover-up, a shoulder cover-up, or a wrap, and that had a $24.99 value. The Studio O mini signature candle made with essential oils and creamy coconut soy wax blend comes in beautiful glass vessel that you can reuse too. I have actually had that brand in the past and liked it a lot. That had a $13 value. And then the Upcircle, a facial scrub that uses upcycled coffee grind waste. The scrub is sensitive skin friendly and leaves skin nourished and soft to the touch, and that had a $24 value. So those were your other choices. Thank you so much for coming by today, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will link Jessica below in case you want to go over and check out her channel, see who we're talking about here if you don't already know her. And I will see you guys again really soon. Take care.